The museum is a focal point of the Jewellery Quarter in a way because we're able to talk about the incredible successes and achievements of the Birmingham jewellery trade. It's all based around the abandoned Victorian jewellery firm called Smith & Peppers, which was a firm of family-owned manufacturing jewellers started by Charles Smith and his uncle Edwin Pepper in 1899. What's more, we're able to give a very authentic rendition of what things would have been like in the trade because so much of the factory is exactly as it was left. So we're able to demonstrate the traditional handcrafting techniques, plus show you all of the machine sort of methods that would be used in jewellery making. This actually shows you that from what would on surface value appear to be grimy workshops, these wonderments of artisanal work sort of emerge.